The Search and Rescue Transponder, or SART, is a vital tool in maritime safety designed to enhance the chances of rescue during emergencies at sea. When activated, a SART emits powerful radar pulses that interact with the X-band radars of nearby vessels or aircraft. This interaction creates a series of dots on the radar screen, allowing rescuers to pinpoint the exact location of a distressed ship. The closer the rescuers get, the more distinct the signal becomes, transforming from a single dot into a line of 12 dots, guiding them directly to the SART's location. Routine testing of your SART is crucial. It's not enough to simply have one on board. It must be in perfect working condition when needed. Regular self-tests should be performed before departure and periodically while at sea. An annual inspection by authorized technicians is also essential to ensure compliance with GMDSS regulations. Neglecting these checks could mean the difference between a successful rescue and a tragic outcome. Performing a SART test is straightforward but requires attention to detail. First, activate the device and confirm that the power indicator is lit. Next, check the ship's X-band radar for a clear signal. You should see the 12 dots indicating the SART's presence. Ensure the signal strength is adequate and that all LED indicators are functioning normally. After the test, deactivate the SART and stow it securely to prevent accidental activation. There are two primary types of SARTs used in maritime operations: Radar SARTs and AIS SARTs. Radar SARTs work with traditional X-band radar systems, displaying 12 dots on the radar screen and typically have a range of about 5 to 10 nautical miles. In contrast, AIS SARTs send GPS-based signals directly to AIS receivers on rescue vessels, providing precise coordinates and potentially a wider range. Understanding these differences is crucial for effective deployment during emergencies. Battery maintenance is another critical aspect of SART functionality. Regular checks and timely replacements are essential to prevent failure during a real emergency. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for battery type and ensure that expired batteries are replaced before their due date. Proper disposal of old batteries is also important for environmental responsibility. Additionally, annual servicing should include checking internal circuits, inspecting the waterproof casing for damage, and verifying antenna alignment. In summary, the SART is a lifeline in maritime emergencies, and its effectiveness relies on proper maintenance, testing, and understanding of its operation. By ensuring your SART is always ready, you significantly increase the chances of a successful rescue, making preparedness a key element in maritime safety.